Hello everybody, welcome to Matt's Cookhouse, where I share easy to cook recipes. Today I'll be sharing the quick and easy recipe for the aloo or potato raita that is perfect for the summers. To begin, boil 2 to 3 medium potatoes with a bit of salt. Allow them to cool and chop into small pieces. Keep aside. In a large bowl, take 2 cups of curd and beat it well. You can also use unflavored yogurt for this recipe. Season it with quarter teaspoon salt, quarter teaspoon black salt or kala namak, 1/8 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder and half teaspoon roasted and crushed cumin seeds, bhuna jeera. Mix well. Add in the chopped potatoes and 1 to 2 chopped green chilies. Mix. Transfer to a serving bowl. Garnish with Kashmiri red chili powder, roasted cumin seeds, and chopped coriander leaves. The aloo or potato raita is ready to serve. For more such recipes, follow me at Matt's Cookhouse and be sure to like, share and subscribe.